Hello everyone and welcome to this session. Today I am going to talk about CAT 2025 examination, and let's have a look at what would be the tentative timeline in which the examination will be conducted, and of course the following activities will take place. So let's have a look at that. But before I do that, let me take a step back and let's understand what CAT exam is all about. So CAT examination is conducted collectively by the IIMs. So 21 IIMs, they come together and they conduct a common exam called CAT. Now this examination becomes the most important exam in India for any management aspirant. And the reason behind that is pretty simple. If I write names of top 100 business schools in India, around 80 of them will be accepting CAT scores. I'm sure you would agree with me, if around 80% of the premier business schools are accepting CAT scores, obviously it would be the most important exam for any MBA aspirant. Now, the eligibility criteria for appearing for this entrance exam, for general category, EWS category and OBC NC category applicants would be minimum 50% marks in graduation. Whereas people who belong to SC, ST or differently abled categories, they require minimum 45% marks in graduation. Remember, final year students, they are also eligible to write CAT examination. Now the pattern of the exam, the last year's pattern of the exam was 68 questions were there that needed to be done in a duration of 2 hours. And there are 3 sections in CAT exam. The first section is VARC, verbal ability and reading comprehension, which simply means English. 24 questions appeared from English section last year. The second section is called data interpretation and logical reasoning. 22 questions were there from this area. And finally, we have QA, quantitative ability, and 22 questions appear from this area also. So all in all, 68 questions. Remember, every section in CAT exam will have the same duration of 40 minutes. So sectional time limit is there in CAT exam. There are 2 types of questions that appear in the examination. While majority of the questions are those that have 4 options, they are called multiple choice questions. Some questions will not have options, they are called non-multiple choice questions. For MCQ questions, if you get it right, 3 marks are awarded, and if you do it wrongly, 1 mark will be deducted. Whereas non-multiple choice questions do not have any negative marking. If you get it right, 3 marks. If you get it wrong, 0 marks are awarded. Interestingly, in CAT, on-screen calculator is also provided. Now, you may ask me, what about CAT 25? Well, the pattern of the examination of CAT 25 has not yet been disclosed. It will only be revealed along with the notification of the exam. Will complete pattern be revealed along with the notification? No. Partly it will be revealed along with notification, and the exact breakup, exact number of questions in each of the sections will generally only be known on the day of examination. But the duration of the exam, what are the sections that will be in the exam, in which order will those sections appear, all that information will be made available at the time of notification. Now, let's talk about the tentative timeline of CAT 2025. I want to reiterate, this is tentative timeline. This is not the officially revealed information, but based on our observation of last few years of CAT examination, this could be the tentative timeline. Now, the notification of the examination is expected to be out in the month of July 2025. Advertisement of CAT examination would be released in major newspapers, and then the application form will be is expected to be made available from first week of August and is supposed to continue till mid-September. So around month and a half is the duration in which the CAT application form is expected to be sold. The CAT examination itself usually happens on the last Sunday of November. If that holds true this year also, then tentatively we can say CAT 2025 examination will be conducted on 30th of November 2025. The results of this examination are expected to be released next month, following month in December 2025. Now, in the month of January, IIMs, they are expected to release their interview shortlist and people will be invited to participate in the second round of selection process. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the tentative timeline that we expect CAT 2025 to follow. I want to again repeat, this is not the official dates, but this is the expected dates. The actual dates may or may not be the same as I have revealed, but this is based on observation of last few years of CAT examination. So hope you liked this video. If you did like it, do hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel because we regularly upload this kind of useful information, and do share it with your other friends who may also be aspiring to write CAT 2025 examination. Thank you everyone for watching this video.